Hi there, friends and adventurers. Heather here from Heather's Hikes and Adventures. Today, in this video, I'm going to be showing you everything to do with the Stow Go seats. I'm going to show you the way they normally function for both the second row and third row. I'm going to show you how the seats recline, and then I'm going to show you a secret hack that will save you literally hundreds and hundreds of dollars if you end up running into this issue where your Stow Go feature stops working, which apparently is not all that uncommon. So make sure you watch till the end if you want to see that, and let's get into it. All right, so what you're going to be seeing me do with this seat here is how the typical Stow Go function should work, which is basically just going to be me lifting this lever here once I have this open and this seat pushed forward. And then that's going to flip the seat up and stow it. So I'm going to demonstrate that. Now, as you can see, and again, please disregard the dust and fuzz. I have not deep cleaned it yet before switching out my setup. But there is a very good sized well in there. I don't know if you can tell how deep it is, but it goes almost to my elbow and stretches the entire width of the car since there's no division down here. Of course, if you do not need the seats like I do in between your trips, or if you are traveling full-time, then you can utilize the compartments in the Stow Go where the seats would be stowed, because I do wish that I could use that for storage for my less frequently used items sometimes. It would be just amazing. But this is also very versatile, very fast, and very easy. So let's continue on. Now that I have moved the driver's seat up temporarily, I'm just going to lift this. And then while this is lifted, I'm going to pull that latch that we were talking about. Hopefully you can see past my arm holding up the door. But there you go. So as you can see, we have a nice flat surface now. Again, I have not done my deep cleaning yet, so please disregard that. And next we are going to look at how to Stow Go this seat now that the Stow Go lever no longer releases the latch to stow the seat, and I have to do it manually. Apparently not all that uncommon of an issue from what I've been told, but I have a secret hack, so let's take a look at what that is and how you can stow your seat manually if your lever no longer stows and goes for you. First, I'm gonna try to get down here so I can show you the piece that I'm gonna be moving first and explain it, and then that way you'll see a little bit more what I'm doing. So climb in here real quick and hope I don't hurt my knees. But I'm gonna try to give you a view of underneath here. If you can see that little latch right here, it used to be connected to a little tension wire. And so we're going to actually be lifting that up manually with a little bit of elbow grease, and that's going to release the latch to get it out of this. The first thing I do is move this seat up. I lift the Stow Go compartment just like I would ordinarily. And now I'm going to release the latch like I typically do, but all that's going to do is make this come down and make the seat fold over. It's not actually going to release the latch. See, it doesn't come up like the other one did no matter how I pull, so it's not releasing even when this is being engaged. So what I'm going to do is reach down behind here, reach underneath here until I feel this metal latch, if you can see it, and then I'm going to pull that up as hard as I can until it releases. All right, I'm going to try my best to do this on camera, even though I never have before. When I pull it up enough, it does release. Now, last but not least, let's talk about the third row. The first step is to pull number 1, then we pull number 2, then number 3, and 4 will pull it down. So it's pretty easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see it is a 60-40 split. So you do have the option to either fold down one or both. Please ignore the crows. They're very upset right now. All right, let's do this. Okay, step 1 is done. Now I'm going to show you how they can recline and or fold. So when we don't want to recline it and we actually want to stow it, we want to let it go all the way forward. That's when we're going to pull number 3 to release it. And now I can pull it right down. Pro tip, you're going to want to leave this out so that it's easy to pull back up when you're ready to access the seat again. And there you have it. We have a nice clean slate that is ready to be deep cleaned and converted. All right, folks, there you have it. I have my clean slate again. I am getting ready to run up to the gas station to top off her tank, go through the car wash to get her nice and sparkling on the outside before I get her deep cleaned on the inside, converted, loaded up, and ready to hit the road for my multi-state road trip and adventure. I can't wait to bring you all with me, but in the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful. I hope maybe it answered some questions that you have, if you had them, about how the Stow Go feature works. And I hope that that hack might come in handy to some of you, because if it were not for me finding this random YouTube video after hours of searching, I would be in a world of trouble because I wouldn't be able to stow that seat over there. So hopefully it helps you guys too. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Bye for now.